Welcome to Zaanse Schans, where history breathes through spinning sails and 18th century timber. In the 1700s, this was the world's first industrial zone. Over 600 windmills lined these banks, powering everything from sawmills for the Dutch Golden Age ships to grinding spices and pigments. It was a revolution fueled entirely by the breeze. This is Dutch engineering at its finest. Using a system of wooden gears and levers, these massive structures can be rotated by hand to catch the slightest gust. It's a masterclass in mechanical, efficient, sustainable, and built to last centuries. Maintaining them is a high-stakes craft. Master millers work year-round, hand-greasing wooden cogs and replacing massive sails. It's a delicate dance between preserving the past and battling the elements. Zaanse Schans is more than a museum. It's a testament to human ingenuity. A reminder that when we work with nature, we can move the world. Next time the wind blows, remember, the Dutch have been mastering it for 400 years.